Sometimes there's these tall bushes that are just as tall as me. Oh, that's cool. Somebody's come through here and cut these down. It's cool. Beautiful. Look, there's these rocks. I don't know if you can see them because I can't see my screen, but they're not rocks, they're tops of mountains. Sorry. But it does look like somebody's come through here and cut all these down. AT trail guys, probably. But see, I also hiked through this stuff too. That is pretty. That's the mountain I just come off of. All that. Right there's what I just come off of. And down. Whew. I think we're about 7 or 8 miles in. I don't know where I'm at. I know I stopped and took lunch about an hour ago. Kind of pack break. Of course. This morning when I left camp, I packed my pack different. And I put my tent on top of everything. Because, you know, once you get to camp, that's the first thing you get out. Well, I don't know if it's because of that. Or just my shoulders getting tired of my straps. But my shoulders started hurting again. My rotator cuff. So I took that one side loose. And I've been working my right side a lot more. Because I got my pack strapped to it pretty decently. So it takes up the weight and jar. Oh, another one. See, you don't get none of this in the pines. But they sure are beautiful. You get more beautiful things. Yep. That there mountain is where I was at. On top of that up there. Actually, I've been down and through all of those. Yep. Huh. That's pretty cool. Look all that way I've come. Wow. I know that one's above 6,000 feet. I'm coming down. I think I'm at my 220th mile. By the time I get out of the Smokies, I'll be at 240 miles in. Done went through 2 states and on my 3rd one. And then I won't be far until I get past this one and head up into Virginia. I cannot wait to get to Damascus, Virginia for trail days. Oh, that's one of the main things that I've wanted to do the whole time on the AT. At least I get a good view that way, but check this out. Which is okay, so I know a bear can't come from the top, but I haven't even been looking for him at all for the past 2 days. Should have a shelter coming up in about 5 miles. It's gonna be 10.5 miles a day, or actually it should be shorter than that. She just keeps on going.